Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege with mouse and keyboard on Xbox One. To begin, you will need a dedicated mouse and keyboard adapter designed for the Xbox One. These devices are crucial as they translate your computer peripheral inputs into controller signals, allowing your console to recognize them. Make sure to research and select an adapter known for its reliability and low latency to ensure the best possible gaming experience. Once you have your adapter, the connection process is straightforward. Start by plugging your official Xbox One controller into the adapter's designated port. This is essential for the adapter to function correctly. Then, connect your preferred gaming mouse and keyboard into the available USB slots on the adapter. Lastly, plug the adapter directly into any open USB port on your Xbox One console. Your console should now recognize the adapter. With everything connected, it is time to fine-tune your setup. Most quality adapters offer companion software or a mobile application that allows extensive customization. Here, you can precisely adjust mouse sensitivity, acceleration, and remap keyboard keys to mimic your ideal PC layout. Take your time to experiment with various settings. Finding the perfect configuration can significantly enhance your aiming precision and overall responsiveness in Rainbow Six Siege. Switching to mouse and keyboard on Xbox One can provide a significant competitive edge in Rainbow Six Siege. You will likely experience much greater aiming precision and quicker reaction times compared to a standard controller. The expanded number of keys also allows for more efficient access to gadgets and abilities. Remember, practice is crucial to fully adapt to this new control scheme and truly unlock your full potential in every match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.